Xiaomi has a new phone for those who are looking for a replacement for the Samsung Galaxy Note 7. Sporting a design that, like the Note 7, is curved on both front and back, the new 5.7-inch Mi Note 2 also offers a 23-megapixel camera, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. Xiaomi has been pushing its Mi Pay mobile payment system lately, so the Mi Note 2 will come with NFC. It's set to launch on November 1st China for 3,299 yuan, approximately 485 pounds or 640. A cheaper model, with 4GB RAM and 64GB onboard storage, will retail for 2,799 yuan, roughly 340 pounds or AU 540. There's also a special model with support for 37 different 4g LTE bands, so it'll work in pretty much any country. That goes for 3,499 yuan, 420 pounds or 675.